Hello, writing students. In this screencast, we are going to go through a general overview of what a good topic sentence looks like, what is the function of a good topic sentence, and how a good topic sentence will have both a clear main idea and a clear controlling idea. The controlling idea informs the reader of what the purpose is for the writer. So what is the difference between a topic and a controlling idea when you write your topic sentence and later your thesis statement? The topic sentence will control and guide the paragraph, and a good topic sentence will have both a topic and a clear controlling idea. So what is the difference between topic and controlling idea? The topic is just your general main idea. So for example, if I say milk, milk is your topic. But what is the controlling idea? What do you want to say about your topic? The controlling idea will inform the reader about your purpose in writing about your topic. So for example, do you think milk is healthy or unhealthy? And your topic would be milk or dairy products, and your choice, if it is healthy or unhealthy, would be your controlling idea. So you may have one topic and you may have various or more than one controlling idea. So let's give an example. If we have one topic, we may have different controlling ideas. So I ask you, viewers, what is a way that you can see diversity and international culture in the United States? How would you fill in this blank here? What would be your answer? Could it be food? Could it be enclaves, different neighborhoods in your area? Could it be festivals and carnivals? What is it that you see that brings out the culture? So my example here is I see the international culture. It is reflected in its immigrants and its citizens. Some students may say culture is reflected by the foreign languages or the different types of music, or its cultural food, or different regions of the city, accents, businesses. We can go on about different ideas. And from this example, you can see there is one topic which is international culture of the United States, and we have different responses. So different students may write about different controlling ideas. So I'll give you a few minutes to look at this, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me what are these controlling ideas and what are the topics. So here now I'm going to go to a storyline project. And here's an example. The first sentence we just read. We have the culture of the United States as the topic, and the different controlling idea we chose was international background. What if we take the second sentence? Now we have a contrast paragraph. So we have our contrast here. Although buying a house may seem appealing, renting an apartment is actually the topic. The controlling idea is many advantages. Research shows there are three main purposes for leisure travel. What are we going to say about leisure travel? What do we want to talk about? The cost? No. Where to go? No. The three purposes is controlling idea. And what about an argumentative topic? If I ask you the question, do you think that individuals who wish to purchase a gun should get a thorough background check? That is the topic. Should gun purchasers get a background check? And this person's answer said yes. So that was an example of using storyline to answer those questions. And then I'm going to give you a short moment to read this paragraph, identify the topic, and controlling ideas. So the topic here is about, is it automatic or stick shift? Well, this is about driving a stick shift, a manual transmission. We have some benefits. What benefits do we have? low gas mileage, starting the car with a low battery. So our topic sentence for this could be sentence number 2. That would be a good topic sentence for the paragraph. There are many benefits to driving a car, which is a manual transmission. So that was just a quick practice to go through the differences between topic of your topic sentence and your controlling idea. And I hope you enjoyed this screencast.